Today I'd like to show you more about the Spline tool available with the Anything World plugin. Install the Anything World plugin to Unity and sign into your account. Create a new empty game object at the top layer or the top level of the hierarchy is recommended. What we'll do now is we will add a script called Path Creator. And what this will allow us to do is generate a spline using a Bezier curve or Bezier path. Additionally, you can also use vertex if that is preferred. However, today I will demonstrate the Bezier. Let's take a look. So let's pull this a little bit closer to us, and there we go. Now in this example, what I would like to do is have this man that I've imported using the Anything World browser, which can be found right here, simply by clicking and dragging. I would like this gentleman here to follow the spline to walk around the park. So in order to do that, I've created my game object. As you can see here, there is a path creator script available. What I'm going to do is enable the snap to surface, leave the surface orientation up so that we know that the human will walk along the path vertically instead of horizontally. And then I will also change the space to flat because we don't want this person to fly. So we will just have them walk a path on the flat ground. Okay, now the cool part is I can easily adjust these nodes here in 3D space as well as the angle using these nodes here. So what I would like to do is now grab this node, move it all the way to the end, this path. And now what I can do is hold down the shift button and click to add another node for the location. So this will allow us to introduce more nodes for the path for the human to follow. So now what I will do is move this over here, and then I will do the same thing where I adjust this curve a little bit that way so that it looks like they're walking a loop. Cool. Okay, now we will adjust this node again, maybe something like that. Just that node in there. Probably make some adjustments when we get down to the end of the block. We'll get there. Great. And finally, we can simply select the close path option available right here. And what we will do again is just adjust this curve once more, pull it in a little bit. Ooh. Adjust this node over here now and complete the circuit. So now that you can see, we have a spline wrapped around this entire perimeter here. Now what I'm going to do is final adjustments here, going back to my player character, which I will now check. Okay, so I am verifying here that it has a behavior tree runner, which is one of our new features. And this will allow us to use the spline movement behavior tree to make this human move along this path. What we will require to do is just add the game object that we've just created using the spline and add it to the path creator section of the movement data container script. And then we just make sure that behavior tree runner contains the spline movement script. Enter play mode, and voila. The human is going to be following this spline. We'll be following it all along the perimeter of this park. And this can be applied to flying objects as well as cars. We could potentially make all of these cars move in the scene. That is an option for us. And that is the gist of this. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and please message us in Discord or via email if you have any questions. Our email is at support@anything.world. So we'd be happy to chat with you there. Thank you. Bye.